Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and I do want to wish you a great week in advance. In this video, though, we will handle some very serious business, and that is Fetch.Ai. A crypto, I saw this yesterday. I was just going through some numbers about open interest, which basically means how many people are trading a certain crypto, and I saw that it was fairly high for Fetch.Ai and that the volume was also going up pretty rapidly. And you can also see that the volume throughout the bigger part of the weekend actually continued going up. And then Fetch.Ai also had a major bullish breakout yesterday night above 25 cents. So it's interesting. Fetch.Ai has been quite bullish for the last 2 weeks or so. So I wanted to make a video on that, all right? There's quite a lot we need to talk about because this is a pretty weird rally, all right? And I do smell some manipulation, even though it might not be that clear if you take a look at the volume, all right? But that's what we'll talk about in this video. Before we do that, though, I do want to mention briefly that I have my own premium trading group as well, and I'm multitasking now a little bit. But I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access to my trading guides and a chat room full of traders. So if you are actually interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you will find out how to join. But for now, let's get into Fetch.Ai. So I quickly wanted to check out CoinGecko as well, and because sometimes it actually shows more volume, and there you can actually see it. About 20% of the volume actually comes from Nami exchange, which is an exchange I don't know. Well, I do know it, but only from manipulation. So it does look likely that Fetch.Ai is manipulated. Now, if you like the project, I agree. I like the project as well. But a rally like this, starting Tuesday last week, obviously the market then was also quite bullish. So I get that bullish reaction. But then Fetch.Ai also continued going up on Wednesday and Thursday. And that was not the same as the market. All right. So there something fishy started. And now with this bullish breakout, I think it continued. Now, it's always difficult to analyze a manipulated crypto, especially right now, because what has happened with Fetch.Ai is that it got a significant bullish breakout by breaking above 25 cents. It's a big psychological level, but also technically, as you can see, very strong. So it broke above that, and now it has met the 382 Fibonacci level. Plus 27.5 cents. That's also a bit of a psychological level up here. So now it has very strong resistance and very strong support. And that's difficult, all right? And I'll zoom out a bit to actually show you the significance. That 382 fib is the fib of this entire move down. And we have not met that fib in a very long time, or basically at all, because it was newly formed after this low. So now we really have to be reactionary. Like I would say, in a manipulated rally like this, you have to assume that it will continue. So I would say the most likely scenario right now for Fetch.Ai would be that it finds support at around 25 cents, the 382 fib, 0.5 fib, perhaps spikes down towards like 24.5 cents. So also quite strong support there. And that it will continue by breaking above 27 cents and then going up towards this level right here between 29 and 30 cents. I would say that's the most likely scenario, but that's mainly because I've seen a lot of these manipulated rallies and usually they just continue. The thing though is that Fetch is balancing on a very thin thread, because if Fetch.Ai right now breaks down below 25 cents, I would, even though they're supported to 24.5 cents, if it really breaks on the 4-hour time frame, I would say that's enough bearish confirmation to assume that this is a top, at least on the short term. So we will at least see a drop down to 22.5 cents, and then from there see again. So this is a possibility. I would say this has like a 40% chance of happening. Well, this has like a 60% chance of happening just because of the nature of the move we're seeing. So altogether, definitely possibilities and opportunities for Fetch.Ai. It's just it's going to be very risky to trade it. All right, so please be careful with it. It's better to wait for confirmation, like some sort of a big bullish breakout or some sort of a big bearish breakout. Until that time, these are my thoughts and this is my analysis. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.